The Quarrelling Monkey Family and the Lesson of the Lost Bananas. Beautiful jungle filled with tall trees, birds singing, and a playful monkey family jumping around. Once upon a time, deep in the green jungle, lived Mama Monkey and her 5 naughty children, Mimi, Momo, Bobo, Lolo, and Kiki. They loved to play, but they quarrelled all the time. The 5 monkeys argue over fruits. Mimi, that banana is mine. Bobo, no, I picked it first. Kiki, stop pushing me. From morning till night, they shouted, fought, and never shared anything. Poor Mama Monkey felt so tired and sad. Mama sits on a branch holding her head. Mama Monkey sighs. If they keep fighting like this, how will they ever learn to live together? Mama Monkey thought and thought, then came up with a brilliant plan. Early next morning, Mama Monkey calls her children. Mama Monkey, children, I have hidden some bananas in the jungle. Whoever finds them can eat them all. The 5 monkeys jumped with excitement and ran in 5 different directions. Mimi slips on a wet rock. Momo gets stuck in vines. Bobo can't climb a tall tree. Lolo and Kiki fight over directions. Because they didn't work together, none of them could find the bananas. They all got tired, hungry, and sad. The siblings sit together under a tree, exhausted. Kiki, if we had helped each other, we might have found them. Mimi, yes, we wasted our time fighting. They finally understood what their mother wanted to teach them. The 5 monkeys now move together. One climbs, one spots, one jumps, one gathers, one carries. When they worked as a team, they quickly found the hidden bananas hanging high in the tree. All monkeys share bananas happily while Mama smiles. Mama Monkey, see my children, when you fight, you lose. When you help each other, you win. From that day, the 5 monkey siblings stopped quarrelling and became the happiest family in the jungle. When we work together, we achieve more. Dear kids, remember, teamwork and love always bring happiness. Moral, teamwork brings success, fighting brings loss. Dear friends, we have more stories to tell you. Please come and visit Bright Kid Mania to meet me.